1904 Monte Alban. They're in the process of doing renovations, and the cellar is home, and the blinds will be up, I'm told, by the end of this week. And they just put in fresh carpet. And it looks like this garage was just painted. If not, it's just in very good condition. Okay, so we have tile at the entry. The paint looks very fresh. Again, blinds are going up this weekend, so that's okay. Tile stone counters. Stainless steel appliances, gooseneck faucet. So we have some pavers installed already. Is it okay if I go upstairs? Okay, thank you. I'll take my shoes off. So you have a powder room right at the front entrance, tile floors, upgraded light fixture, and upgraded toilet.
We're still working on the toilets. We're not working on the light switches.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
And there's a bluish tint to the paint, and as you can see, the carpet is gray. Matches the cabinets, which look very freshly painted. Vinyl flooring, painted cabinets. Change out light bulbs to non-curly ones. These cabinets look freshly painted. And as he said, they're still working on the light switches. The door handles are nice too. We don't do locking door handles on bedrooms, but these are nice. And on all the doors upstairs.